How many times have you told yourself, "I'll do it later"? And be honest with me, how many times did later actually show up? Because here's the truth you don't usually hear. You're not lazy. You're not broken. And you're not lacking discipline. Something else is happening inside you. Procrastination doesn't start with avoidance. It starts with a feeling. A small one. Almost unnoticeable. You sit down to do something important, and suddenly it feels heavier than it did a moment ago. Not impossible, just uncomfortable. And your brain notices that. Because your brain isn't trying to help you succeed, it's trying to protect you. And the moment something feels uncertain, or difficult, or overwhelming, your brain quietly decides, let's escape this. And this is where things start to slip, not all at once, but step by step. You don't consciously decide to procrastinate. You just drift. You open your phone for a second. You check something quick. You tell yourself you'll start in a bit. And suddenly, you feel better. Lighter. Safer. Less pressure. And your brain learns something very important right there. Avoiding discomfort feels good. And anything that feels good gets repeated. That's how the loop begins. Next time, it happens faster. The hesitation shows up earlier. The escape feels more automatic. The task feels a little heavier. And you don't even question it anymore. You just avoid. But then comes the part nobody likes. The guilt. Because you know you should have started. You know time is passing. You know you're falling behind. And now the task doesn't just feel hard. It feels bigger. So you try again. But this time, it feels even worse. And you escape again. And the cycle repeats. Avoid. Relief. Guilt. Pressure. Again and again. Until the task starts feeling like something you can't face at all. Not because it changed, but because the loop changed how you see it. And slowly, without realizing it, you start believing something dangerous. I'm just not disciplined. I always do this. I can't stay consistent. But that's not the truth. That's just what the loop is telling you. Because procrastination isn't who you are. It's what happens when discomfort meets escape. And escape wins too many times. So how do you break it? Not by fighting harder, not by forcing yourself, but by interrupting the pattern right at the start. Because the moment you feel resistance, that tiny pause, that hesitation, that's the real turning point. That's where everything changes. Instead of escaping, you do something small. Ridiculously small. One sentence. One action. One imperfect start. That's it. Because once you begin, the loop can't complete. And when the loop doesn't complete, it loses power. You don't need motivation first. You don't need confidence first. You need movement first. So the next time you catch yourself about to delay something, don't argue with your mind. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Just ask yourself one thing. What's the smallest step I can take right now? And then do that. Not later. Not after thinking. Right then. Because your life doesn't change when you finally feel ready. It changes the moment you stop escaping and start moving. Even a little. Especially when it's hard. And that's how you break it. Not all at once, but one small step at a time.